M and N start from the same location. M travels 10 km east and then 10 km northeast. N travels 5 km south and then 4 km southeast. What is the shortest distance between M and N at the end of travel? Okay, we have to find the shortest distance between M and N at the end of travel. First of all, we have to draw according to the given data. So the figure on the top shows exactly how both M and N travel. Okay, so M travel uh, first it travel towards east, then 10 kilometer northeast. Similarly, the corresponding pathway of the N is also drawn. We have to find the final distance between M and N. So by drawing this, we have to substitute exactly the given value. We have to form a triangle, right? If you join all these lines, we will get enough triangles and substitute the values on each side. For example, A to B is 10 because that's the horizontal distance between A and B, that west and center point will be. So from the figure below, AB is the horizontal, the distance towards east, because in the given condition we have told M travel 10 km east, right? So that is AB equal to 10. Then it is moving 10 km northeast and it is shown BM. Okay, BM is it is slightly inclined, which is in the northeast direction, because there will be an angle of 45 degree, right? So northeast means that it's exactly in the middle of north and east direction. So that's how northeast would come. So AB and BM is the path of M. First is travel 10 km east, then 10 km northeast. On the other hand, N, which is also start from the same location, A, is traveling 5 km south and then 4 km north east, sorry, north southeast. Okay, so finally we'll be forming a triangle by the remaining sides. We have to find the value of Mn. So consider the triangle MNO, that big triangle MNO. From the figure we can write NO. Okay, that small distance NO will be the total distance ds minus de, right? So since the sides NO and E as a parallel, they will be equal. Okay, from the figure we can simply write NO will be equal to ES. So from triangle MNO we can write NO is equal to DS minus D, right? The difference between that two sides will give NO. Then also from the triangle MBC, we can write 10 by root 2, 10 by root 2, that will give the sum 10, right? So if you have to be hypotenuse, both should be 10 by root 2, 10 by root 2. So this NO can be ds minus ds de, and ds is 10 plus 10 by root 2. Okay, if you look at the figure you can see that ds will be 10 plus 10 by root 2 minus de will be 2 root 2. So finally that value will be 14.24. That both 2 root 2 and 10 root 2 are right by the, logically we writing the two side, because that both will give the hypotenuse of 10 and on the down side, bottom side 4 respectively. So we don't know that side, but if we have to be hypotenuse, it must be, it should be equal, right? From the given figure we know it's both should be equal. So if it has to be equal, then for 10 it should be 10 by root 2, 10 by root 2, and 4 it should be 2 root 2. That how we get both two values. MO is equal to OC plus SC plus CM and MO. OC plus CM is 2 root 2 plus 5, 2 root 2 plus 5. The vertical distance 2 root 2 plus 5. 5 is that small distance 2 root 2 can be found from the lower triangle 2 root 2. So OS plus SC plus CM will be 2 root 2 plus 5 plus that upper distance 10 by root 2 from the triangle. So the distance MO is equal to 14.9. Next to find MN, which is, and Mn can be the hypotenuse, so can be root of NO square plus MO square. From that big triangle we can find Mn. As we already know the value of NO and MO, we can simply find Mn, which is a square root of no square plus mo square. So finally mn, the distance between m and n will be 20.61 kilometer. Okay, so this question we have to draw the figure correctly. Just join the remaining line and we have to construct triangles based on it. We have to assume the remaining edge and just form different triangle. Apply simple property, just parallel sides, sides are equal. Just do the simple hypotenuse Pythagoras theorem and do the problem. What I have to do is find the right triangle and find the right side to solve this problem, and find the distance between m and n. Okay.